Bluetooth Headphones JBL Tune 520BT is an on-ear headphone with a trendy design, beautiful colors, rich and lively sound, fast connection, and a huge battery capacity that promises to bring you the best experience. Let's explore this product in today's video. JBL Tune 520BT Bluetooth headphones is a new product from the famous audio brand JBL, designed to provide you with an excellent wireless music experience. With JBL Pure Bass sound technology, the headphones deliver deep and powerful bass, creating a lively and authentic music space. The JBL Tune 520BT Bluetooth headphones have a 33mm driver that delivers clear and detailed sound, suitable for various music genres. With a compact and foldable design, you can easily carry and store them. The headphones come in many colors, from black, white, blue to purple, suitable for many personal styles. The battery life of the headphones is up to 57 hours, allowing you to listen to music continuously without worrying about running out of battery. You can also charge them quickly for 5 minutes to get an additional 3 hours of music playback time, making it easy to enjoy music without interruption. The headphones also support multi-point connection, allowing you to switch between different Bluetooth devices easily. You can also control the sound, receive calls, and activate virtual assistants, Siri or Google Assistant, with the buttons on the headphones. In addition, there is a voice-aware feature that helps you hear your own voice while talking, enhancing communication ability. Overall, the JBL Tune 520BT Bluetooth headphones are a perfect choice for those who love music and wireless technology. That's my translation of Tiny Bluetooth Chup Tie JBL Tune 520BT. If you find it helpful, please leave a like, a comment, and remember to subscribe to the channel to support us in future videos. See you in the next video.